Yeah, guys, you were there. You were a wonderful audience since last 5 days. But be there for some more time, maybe 30 minutes altogether. And then all of us will take a break from the FDP, take a tea at home. But please be there with us for next 30 minutes. Good evening, sir. I hope you have filled the form on Atal portal. It is mandatory. My Google form was just internal to NIT Kurukshetra.
Am I audible, Dr. Sarika?
Yes, sir, very much.
Okay.
Sir, I hope next 2 to 3 minutes will take to start. Professor Ashutosh is on his way. And,
No problem. But I was
right.
just checking क्योंकि ये बीच में
Yeah.
एक बार चलता नहीं है शुरू में दोबारा चला ना
Yeah, right. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everybody. I could see our delegates have already joined the session. Good evening, everyone. So here we are to the close of the 5-day FDP on semantic intelligence, which we started on 1st of July. Today is the last day, that is the 5th day. I like to invite Professor Ashutosh Kumar Singh, HOD of our department, to kindly start upon the valedictory function and say a few words. Sir, you can unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Time is very fast. Just it seems like 6 दिन अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी तो just inauguration हुआ था. This program is very nice. I got some kind of comment. Since this is not my research area, and I couldn't join neither as a speaker nor as a participant. I am here just because of my administrative position. So I'm not very sure about the recent trends going on in semantic waves. Of course, as a reader, sometimes I used to read some papers and all, and based on that, I feel okay. Like it's a quite interesting area, I can say. उसके बाद मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. So, like my video is audible. My video, can you see?
No, sir.
Actually, I'm trying to open my video. Just
Okay. Let me see if I can do that.
no, it's okay. I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
So I'm very happy, and if you could be here because of this corona situation, last 1.5 year, everything is we are running. Not we, whole world is almost running online, and today, just like I saw that I'm going to the department, and some students are there, and they are saying that, hello sir, how you joined here this corona time, because we are not allowing students to join our campus. So you can imagine that it is injected in our brain that. But one thing is again proved with the computer technology. This pandemic situation showed that without this computer technology, life is not possible. It has become an integral part of our life. If you remember 2000, when it was 2 4 zeros, 2 00s, and that time people started talking about that अब तो कंप्यूटर का दिन गया, and सारे लोग डर गए थे जॉब वो अब चली जाएगी, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. During this tough time, I can sense the effect of internet is going to increase in our life, and I'm sure this web semantics will play a big role. And whatever you have this 6 days training, some of the participants are writing that they are getting big help because of this, their research. Of course, for research, this kind of training is very useful. And other side, I can say, sometimes you learn new thing. You go and spread among your student. You go and spread among your research group. After learning, you spread the knowledge. Then I can say it is a real effect of any event. Otherwise, I rate as a सर्टिफिकेट कलेक्टर. उन्होंने करा दिया, मैंने कर लिया, सर्टिफिकेट ले लिया, क्लोज हो गया, बंद हो गया. Then we can't see the changes. And frankly, by heartily I say, the nation need executors, not the planners. Sometimes we have the plan that we are going to educate our faculties. You know that it's physically it's not possible that because of few trainings we can educate whole faculty. The concept is one of the leader faculty, he is going to tell some kind of knowledge to few people, and that few people are telling to other guys, and then it's spreading to the ground level. And then we can say that yes, the objective of any kind of plans, programs, we are achieving. So, of course, Sarika is the leader of this faculty develop program. After this, speakers तो भाई छोड़ो, उनको उनको तो सब आता है. Whoever is participant, you just keep in your mind at least couple of people, couple of your master student, your PhD student, your colleagues. I will share this knowledge to them. You can run the courses, 1 week or 4 5 days courses, or some kind of like discussion you can just share. Then there will be a effect. And I have very small example. In our apartment, a person I was using LaTeX in University of Bristol. वो ग्रुप में लाटेक में हम लिखते थे, फिर मैं भूल गया. Frankly, I'm telling you, I forgot all the commands because they were using Unix base. After that, once I went in the job, then start.
Sir, we lost your audio.
माइक म्यूट कर दिया भाई आशुतोष.
Sir, we lost your audio.
वो उसका माइक म्यूट हो गया है.
सर आपका माइक म्यूट है.
Yours, okay. Okay. So I thought from my side. So मैं भूल गया था, and 4 5 years back, one student came and he said that, sir, मैं लाटेक में पेपर जानता हूँ. Then I become very happy. And after that, just after 10 days, we organized one small workshop. 3 of us. Our departments are using LaTeX. Few master students are using LaTeX. And 4 5 development kind of things we make it possible. So I feel we need
इसका फिर माइक ऑफ हो गया.
सर माइक म्यूट हो गया है.
Yeah. So ये अच्छा है, माइक म्यूट होने से लगता है कि कोई आदमी सुनना नहीं चाहता, जैसे डायल्स पे लोग मना करते हैं चिट भेज के.
कम से कम बोलेंगे तो सही.
And I hope you enjoyed this faculty development program. And best wishes for your career. Keep in touch with us. और कभी न कभी एक फिर we will do again, and physically we arrange this kind of event in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the motivating words. And I hope, yes, this is a very good catch. If the participants could go back and at least for a few hours, they could speak it to their scholars, their colleagues, it will be really wonderful. I can see the Dean Faculty Welfare, Professor S.M. Gupta is with us. May I request you, sir, you are the person through which all our approvals move, and you do not waste any time before approving all these kinds of papers from us. We like to listen to you, sir, for a few minutes.
Dr. Mahesh
Sir, you can just unmute and speak.
I have unmute कर लिया
Yes, sir,
मैंने.
we can listen to you.
Hmm.
You can start your video also, sir, if possible.
Dr. Mahesh Pal, Dean RNC, Professor Asutosh Kumar, Head Computer Application Department, Dr. Sarika Jain and Dr. Atmaram Gupta, coordinator of this program, all the members of the organization committee, all participants throughout the country, all speakers, good afternoon to everyone. First of all, I thank the coordinator of this program for giving me the opportunity to speak for a few minutes on the validity function of this faculty development program organized in the NIT Kurukshetra from 1st July to 5th July on the topic Semantic Intelligence, the way forward with the artificial intelligence, part 1. As per the today's most important topic of the artificial intelligence, you know the importance of this topic in the present scenario. As told by the coordinator, nearly 500 participants has applied for this course. I'm very happy. The huge application received in the department for this course. All you know, this course is sponsored by the ATAL, sponsored by the AICT, and there's some limitation of the participants in this course. I again congratulate both the coordinator of this course, including the head department of the MCA, for their untiringly efforts which they made to shortlist 200 candidates out of this very huge amount of the 500 by selecting some suitable criteria to fulfill all the requisition of this course. Again, the thanks deserves for both the coordinator of this course. I have discussing Dr. Sarika Jain in this regard. She told me that we have spent roughly 2 months for making the short listing of the deserved candidate or the eligible candidates by making certain suitable criteria out of these 500 candidates. This is the very biggest achievement in this period because throughout the country, more than 200 participants are attending this course as per their requirement in future. And as I have seen the voucher of this program, 5 days, the speakers from all the 3 different sectors have delivered their valuable lecture on the topics regarding from the academia, industry, and R&D organizations. Because I have no idea about this artificial intelligence, but as per we have seen date, all the participants which are from the same field have definitely enhanced their knowledge in this field, and this 5-day program will be very helpful for their future to take the advantage or the notes from the speakers during your interactions during the 5 days course in the NIT. Now, as discussed also, this course is your part 1. I again congratulate the head as well as the coordinators. As told to me, the second part of the same course, that is the extended form or advanced form, will be again organized by our institute in the last week of July. And in this, I congratulate Dr. Asutosh in this regard because he is making the very tireless efforts to make or arrange such type of the courses in which, another important thing, no financial burden, without any financial burden on this. This is the biggest achievement. And I will feel proud to announce the same department under the guidance of Professor Asutosh, he has organized one international conference in 28th and 29th Jan 2022 in the self-finance mode. Again, this is the biggest achievement for the departments. Again, I congratulate all the experts who have spare their valuable time to give the lectures on the different topic pertaining to the artificial intelligence. Again, I thanks all the coordinators, including HOD, all the members of the organization committee who make their efforts to make this program in a successful mode. Again, thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the motivating words. And we'll not let you down, I promise for that. And we'll keep organizing such events as and when possible for us. Thank you, sir.
I have the faith upon your department, no need to worry. Or my full support is with the department. At any time you can give the call, I am with you. Open-handed support.
Right, sir.
Whatever possible from my hand, from my side.
Thank you, sir. This is what we have also experienced till date from your side.
Thank you, lot of thanks for your words.
So, dear audience, because of some other special or work and reservations, director of the institute could not join us in time. We have with us Professor Mahesh Pal, the current Dean RC of the institute, and he is the person, I should say, last year when I proposed the same FDP and we had it in September 2020, he was the person who forwarded my application. So, Mahesh Pal sir, please, we are waiting to listen something from your side.
Thank you, Sarika. And I think most of the material you passed on to me has already been spoken by Professor Gupta. So I got a call from director sir around 12:15 that you have to speak on my behalf there. And I am very poor in speaking on this kind of events, but let me try to put up some words. Thank you, Sarika. At least you are able to give me some guideline about this course. And I found it is MCA department. I think you are working very hard during 1.5 years for all the courses, research. Whenever I meet Professor Asutosh, we always talk about research. So I'm really happy that MCA department under the headship of Professor Asutosh is at the forefront of various academic and research activities, including several online FDP courses conducted by the department in spite of the corona issue. I remember you have done it, this semantic kind of course earlier also. The program deals with an interesting topic of semantic. I know I have read several papers in remote sensing about semantic, what they call it, some kind of they use, but I never tried to understand it. Semantic intelligence, which has been introduced very timely and is contemporary. The semantics has become the core area of every R&D process across the industries. The hybrid of semantic technology and the machine learning models, as this workshop is emphasizing upon, will be able to achieve full potential of artificial intelligence in true sense. As told to me, more than around 150 participants from different institutes across the India has benefited from this workshop. Thank you again conducting such a good workshop. While going through the list of experts who have delivered their talk in this FDP, coordinators were able to rope in experts from high-profile research institutes like IIT Delhi, ISI Bangalore, as well as several experts from R&D sector like ISRO, from industry Adobe, MDoc, Wipro, Semantic Web India, So that's again a very commendable work. During this time, getting a good expert and that is on online mode is really very, very good work. Finally, I expect the most of the participants will make the best use of the concept knowledge gained during the program. As Professor Astos has also told, unless until we are continuously working what we have read here or what we have listened, otherwise there is no point you have a certificate and then that will be used for your future promotion only, nothing more than that. I also expect that video of all the sessions have already been provided to you or will be made available to you all soon. I will request the organizer to, this is a request, or I would suggest Dr. Sarika to organizer to explore the possibility of putting video lectures on department, institute or library website, wherever you can do it, for the use of our master's student in future. And that can be an asset for other, whenever you conduct a course, because that is going to be a very interesting way. I'm sure that the deliberation during the session and the intensive interaction that were generated might have provided you with solutions to some of your problem and queries. This is all about from my side. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Sarika and Professor Astos. I think Professor Astos has left the meeting, so no problem.
Sir,
No,
he's
sir,
there,
I'm
but
here.
अच्छा,
he's there.
Astos है.
डायरेक्टर
भाई-
सर को छोड़ के कैसे चला जाऊंगा सर?
अरे नहीं भाई, नहीं, actually I find it is your department. I appreciate your department.
Dr. Asutosh,
यस सर,
हाँ, good afternoon.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, गुड आफ्टरनून। मैंने
बहुत
आपका
बहुत बधाई हो आपको for your efforts you have made for this program.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, Dr. Sarika.
Thank
You
you.
can continue.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir,
you
thank
very
you.
much.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for your
joining.
nice words.
Thank you very much.
I will just, thank you, sir. I will just continue for next 3 to 4 minutes. I like to propose a vote of thanks actually, which is the most important part for today's session, because whatever we were doing since last 5 days and the support I received from everybody, I like to propose a thanks to everybody for that. I like to thank dear experts and all the participants. Actually, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, I, on behalf of the Department of Computer Applications, would like to thank Almighty God for making this FDP a success. The FDP was very much diversified in terms of participants and experts both. I thank all the stakeholders that were involved. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for all the experts of the workshop, Dr. Raghava, Dr. Sumit Bhatia, Dr. Bisma Datta, Dr. Hiranmay Ghosh. I've seen Dr. Ghosh is already there in the workshop also. Sir, after I finish, I like you also to speak for a minute if possible. Dr. Medha Atre, Dr. Asha Subramanian was there, Dr. PJ Philip, Dr. Uma Sankari, Dr. Anu Saxena, Mr. Arindam Chatterjee, and Mr. Vishal Lama for delivering the excellent sessions. Your project demonstrations and hands-on sessions were more than just sufficient, and they have lit a light in the hearts and minds of the participants also. And I hope they will now start using knowledge graphs for representing their unstructured text, maybe a structured and unstructured both types of text. Actually, the most challenging part that was there with me was convincing the experts to deliver hands-on, to deliver project demonstrations, which was very, very difficult because of online mode and because looking at the number of participants. But yes, I am so happy for this that all the experts had less than 50, more than 50%, at least 50% content was hands-on in their presentation. So wholeheartedly, I would also like to extend a special thanks to my head of the department, Professor Ashutosh Kumar Singh, who has always been a source of inspiration for the department to keep working. I wish to express my gratitude to our director, sir, to the Dean Faculty Welfare, and to Dean RMC, Professor Mahesh Pal, for providing encouragement and support. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Professor Sathans also, and to Dr. Jagannath for the digital platform they have provided us for conducting this FDP. I'm grateful to the sponsoring agency AICT for giving us an opportunity to organize the event. I thank my wonderful audience for being so patient and so much interactive during all the sessions, and also being well versed with the dignity that is always involved in online meetings. I heartily congratulate all the participants for having active participation in the event. Last but not the least, as everybody knows that no program can become successful with a single person. So I should not forget to extend my big thanks to the co-coordinator, Dr. Atmaram Gupta. Actually, there was one coordinator allowed from AICT, but I requested him to support, and in this online time, it is always very difficult to get people in the lockdown. So he helped me doing everything, and also my department people for their support. Thank you guys for making this event successful with your contribution. And in the same line of volunteers, I like to mention the names of Dr. Archana Chogle from SGU Kolhapur and Ms. Nidhi Arora, who approached me from the front to help me out in coordinating the FDP. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. I'm so happy that the department is able to successfully conduct this FDP now. And sir, we have all the recorded sessions, and we have already shared with the participants at least, and now they will be put on the public platform for global viewing by all the audience across the globe. With this, I'm very thankful already. Now I like if there is some expert in the meeting, may I please know if you have some experience to share, and the dignitaries also, the participants also, the delegates, the participants, if you want to speak, to share your feedback, to share your experiences, you are most welcome. Dr. Ghosh, are you there? I think he has left. If any other speaker is there or some participant want to say something, please go ahead so that we get a feedback. Okay, I can do one more thing. Actually, I got some feedback from the participants. So if you allow me, I like to share the feedback screen, the feedback results.
Sarika.
Yes, sir.
There is a protocol for all the event, and I think we should follow. Once director speak, you have given the facts, and the feedback is for yourself, not for all audience.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
right.
this is a confidential feedback. If something is written good, then people will feel that we are just showing our positive points.
Okay, right.
So I think you should close the loop of the event.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, we'll do that. So with all the grace, I like to declare the event close. The valedictory function is over for now, and congratulations to everybody for the FDP held. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So all the participants, if you people have really to ask something from me, I'll be available. We already have a WhatsApp group also, and you could write me on email also. Thank you very much. So sir, we could close the meeting now, I suppose.